for introduction to Thermococcus kodakarensis is the morphology. Firstly, the shape is in irregular cocci. The diameter is around 1.5 micrometer, and it is actually a motile since it contains a lophotrichous bundle of 414 archaea. And next, it consists of polyploid cells, which basically it has around 7 to 19 genomes per cell. And lastly, it is enclosed by a cell membrane with glycerol, di and also tetra ether lipids, and also an outer glycoprotein as layers.
All of an ecosystem component, both living and non-living, are referred to as biotic and also abiotic factors in ecology. As for the Thermococcus kodakarensis, it is vital to know the biotic and also abiotic relationship to predict population changes and also ecological events which occur in the ecosystem. Thermococcus kodakarensis offers hyperthermophiles a desirable platform for protein expression. The aim is basically to efficiently remove impurities and to create a very pure versions of the desired protein. Other than that, Thermococcus kodakarensis also plays an important role in protein and lipid level changes with extended time in the stationary phase. Then, from a biotechnological standpoint, the capacity of highly thermophilic archaea to utilize and also generate basic molecules. As our knowledge of the fundamental metabolisms of the substance's growth, new opportunities in biotechnology are opening up.
Thermococcus kodakarensis habitat is in marine hydrothermal vents and terrestrial hot sulfur springs. The optimal temperature for T. kodakarensis is above 80 Celsius. It plays roles in biogeochemical process, sulfur cycle, and interaction with another microorganisms. Biogeochemical process is a process that can be defined as the transfer of chemical elements across various mediums, including the atmosphere, soil, rocks, bodies of water, and living things. Next is sulfur cycle. T. kodakarensis will oxidize sulfur and participates in the sulfur cycle. It will contribute to biogeochemical processes. It will oxidize sulfite to sulfate. Last function is interaction with another microorganism. It may produce a symbiosis relationship or a competition for resources. Symbiosis relationship will benefit to one or both of the microorganisms involved. In conclusion, Thermococcus kodakarensis plays an important role to maintain the ecology in its habitat.
As we know, Thermococcus kodakarensis is found in the extreme condition, which is high temperature environment such as hydrothermal vent ecosystem. So, Thermococcus kodakarensis species is preferred to live in the hydrothermal vent ecosystem for several reasons. The first reason is because it provides the ideal temperature for Thermococcus kodakarensis to do their metabolic process. Next, with the presence of chemical stability of their lipid bilayer membranes makes them able to grow at high temperature environments. Lastly, Thermococcus kodakarensis also can live in the hydrothermal vent ecosystem because of their nutrient availability such as carbon, nitrogen, and also sulfur, which can support their growth and also their metabolism.